Shri Parashakti Vidyala CBSE Class 8 Subject English.
Good morning, students. Today I am going to take the 10th chapter, the correct uses of adverb. All of you take your English grammar text for the class. Page number 66. Very is used with the positive degree of adjective and much is used with the comparative degree of adjective. She is very happy now. She is much happier now. Radha is very tall girl. Radha is much taller than Asha. The base form of the verb plus ing and the past participle form of the verb can be used as adjective. The base form of the verb plus ing form takes very with it. The past participle form takes much with it. Example, it is very surprise news. We were much surprised at the news. A few past participle forms can take very with him. She was very pleased to hear this. I am very tired after the day's work. The adverbs to means more than desirable. It should be used in the sense of very or much. I am too pleased with you. I am very pleased with you. Too and enough are positive in the meaning. Too is used before the adjective, it qualifies. Enough is used after the adjective, it qualifies. Example, he is too weak to walk. I am too late for the train. The adverbs never can be used with the verbs indicating some point of time. We can't use never in piece of note. I have remember having met her. I don't remember having met her. The second one is right. The Ruskin Bond was never born in London. The Ruskin Bond was not born in London. Page number 69. Still yet already. Still means that something is same as before. I have eaten a lot, but I am still hungry. It was hungry before and I am hungry now. It started raining an hour ago and it is still raining. Yet means until now. The adverb it is usually placed at the end of the sentence. It is used in the negative sentence and in the questions. Where is Anu? She isn't here yet. She will be here, but until now she hasn't come. Aren't you ready to go yet? Now, not yet. I will be ready, but I am not ready at the moment. Already means earlier than expected. Expected. What time is the train arriving? It has already arrived. I will tell you the truth. I already know it. Do you want to see this film? I have already seen it. So already means earlier than expected. Now the difference between yet and still. She hasn't gone yet. She is still here. She is yet here. So the first one is right. She is still here. He hasn't finished eating yet. He is still eating. He is yet eating. All of you take the page number 65. The correct uses of adverb. The rules about uses of adverb. Two negatives should not be used in the same sentence. In the uses of adverb, the two negatives should not be used in the same sentence. Example is I could not find it nowhere and I could not find it anywhere. I could not find it anywhere is the correct. Okay, I could find it nowhere. I haven't no homework to do. I haven't any homework to do. I have no homework to do. Here second and third are correct. The adjective should not be used in the place of adverb. And he will pay heavy for his mistakes. And he will pay heavily for his mistakes. Second one is correct. In the third paragraph, ever should not be used wrongly for never. We seldom or ever visit our relatives. We seldom or never visit our relatives. Second one is right. Now, the meaning of the use of else, but, and other than. Else should be followed by but, other should be followed by than. It was nothing else but his pride. He already they explain that else should be followed by but, other should be followed by then. It was nothing else but his pride. It was nothing else but nothing else than his pride. That is wrong. It was nothing else but his pride. She had no friends other than me. She had no friends other but him.